This is the brand new Logitech MX Brio, the rightful successor to the Logitech Brio 4K. So this is a quick unboxing video of the same. Before starting, just a disclaimer, this is only an unboxing video of the Logitech MX Brio. I'm going to make a subsequent videos showing you how to connect this to a laptop and how to use this on older devices, as the laptops which do not have a Type-C port. And an in-depth review video will be coming soon in a month approximately, where I'm going to compare this to my default webcam and to smartphone connected as a webcam to the laptop. So let's unbox this quickly, and by the way, I will leave the links to this product in the description of this video. It comes in this royal black packaging, but unfortunately this is not made in India, as you can see on the label. Logitech MX Brio was available for around 19k on Amazon, while the older Brio 4K was selling for around 17k. Hence, to me personally, it made a much more sense to purchase MX Brio rather than going for the old one. So here we have this guide over where we can see how to connect this, and here we have the device itself. So now let's try to pry this out of the box, and here is our device. Let's keep this aside and let's see what all we have in the box. So if I remove this top cover, then yes, this is the cable box, and it seems this is all that we have got. And here this is just an advertisement of other devices in the MX series, like their mice, keyboard, etc. And here we have this. Okay, so let me just get rid of this stuff. And then we have finally inside this case a huge thick industrial grade 1.5 meters Type-C to C shielded USB cable. So here is our main Logitech MX Brio webcam, and we can see this entire build is out of aluminum, and on the back we have the Type-C USB port. And upon removing the film from the top, we can see that's made of glass, and on the bottom we have its mount, which as you can see can be removed magnetically. So this mount is basically made out of plastic, and once we remove the covering off, we can see the mechanism of the mount. So basically it opens like this, and we can just slap it on the back of any monitor or laptop. And on the inside you can see this plastic film, so we can remove that film, and then that thing is going to stick onto the backs of the monitor. And by the way, that is not a one-time thing. You can also wash it out and then use it again. So basically if it gets dirty, it can be washed. So that's not something which is going to leave marks on your monitor or on your laptop's back. So now let's move to the webcam again. So yes, this is solid metal, and on the bottom we have this hole which has 1x4 inch screw thread. And here, as I can see, this white thing, it also has a film to it, but let's leave it there for now because I'm not sure why exactly there is a separate film over there. Just a different texture. So I think I need to search a bit about that, and I'll let you know in the next video if that has some specific purpose. So coming to the front, we have this huge sensor and the glass to take in light, and the privacy cover is just integrated into it. And on the sides we have two slits for the noise cancelling microphones and a horizontal slit for the light. It indicates when the camera is working. So that is pretty much it for this video, and stay tuned for the next one where I am going to show you how I connected this to my laptop, which does not have a Type-C port. And I am also going to compare this to my smartphone and to the default laptop's camera. So for that, do subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and if you have subscribed to the channel, do not forget to press the notification icon so that you will be notified once the new video is out. Thanks for watching and bye bye.